So here I am, 2 years ago, driving my car. At that point I even didn't realize I will need full engine rebuild. Bluish white smoke, we all know what that means. Before engine comes out, I need to unbolt all things in the way. Finally, engine is out. It took me 2 days in slow pace. Here you can see valves from exhaust ports. As we can see, one is oily and wet, so we have a problem with valve seals or valve guides. Original turbos have seen better days. Cold side is completely shut. Head cover gasket was leaking all over the place. It was dripping on the hot exhaust and smoking. So both heads must come off. Here I was checking how much of free play pistons have at top dead center. I guess it's not so important at this point, as all engine will come apart. Here you can see complete chaos and carnage, what is left of my S4 engine. Finally, engine is out and on the stand for better inspection. Interesting thing, passenger side 1, 2, markings of 3. On the driver's side there is 4, for some reason 6. And the last one is just 2.7. Let's take apart the bottom half of the engine. Here you can see the oil pump. And let's continue with the assembly. So, quick inspection of the rods. Everything looks fine. Here I just took off all the rods when trying to spin the crankshaft. Let's check the crankshaft bearings. So the first one is a little worn, the second one is okay, the third is also okay, and the last one is also in pretty good shape. Overall, not so bad. Okay, the engine is completely torn apart, basically ready for the honing. After that, machine shop will restore the surface where the head meets the cylinder block. Here's all the parts in the boxes: pistons, crankshaft, various bits of the engine, clutch, intake, intercoolers, intake box, headlights, radiator, and some small bits and pieces. In next video I will start to build the engine back to its former glory.